Okay, so today for math, we're going to be working on the metric system, okay? So as a reminder, we use King Henry drinks milk or lemonade or Gatorade during chamber meetings, okay? What you're going to be focusing on for this lesson is this guy, kilo, K-I-L-O, which means 1,000, and milli, M-I-L-I, which means 1,000th, okay? So a kilometer is 1,000 meters. A millimeter is 1,000th of a meter, okay? So there's 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter, okay? That's how that works. So, okay. So it says in America we have different names for measurements that are bigger or smaller than our base unit. For example, we use inches, yards, and miles for measurements that are bigger or smaller than a foot. And we use ounces, pints, cups, and teaspoons for amounts smaller than a gallon. Excuse me, the metric system is different. Instead, they just add a prefix to meter, liter, or gram to say how many meters, liters, or grams we're talking about. For example, 1,000 meters is called a kilometer or kilometer, okay? 1,000 grams is called a kilogram. 1,000 liters is called a kiloliter, okay? They just add the prefix kilo to each base unit, okay? So these are the prefixes, okay? Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter, or gram or liter, okay? So all you have to do is put the right prefix in front of the correct base unit, which the base units are meters, liters, grams, okay, to say how many of those you're measuring, okay? So let's practice with the prefix kilo. Okay, it means 1,000 and is one of the most common prefixes. Okay, so 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. 1,000 liters equals 1 kiloliter. 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Okay, the next most common prefix is milli, and it means 1/1000th. Okay, it takes 1,000 millimeters to equal 1 meter. It takes 1,000 milligrams to equal 1 gram, and 1,000 milliliters is the same as 1 liter. Okay, so you are going to work on a worksheet that looks just like this. Okay, it's going to just ask you questions, and you're going to fill in kilo or millimeters, grams, liters, whichever applies, okay? If you get stuck on anything, just circle it or put a star next to it and let me know, okay? Thank you.